Hello and welcome to EduSuite. In this tutorial, we would learn how you can register your WhatsApp number with EduSuite so that you can send notifications, fee vouchers, salary slips, progress reports, and anything else through our software using your own WhatsApp number. We create user account and the password for yourself, so we would share these details with you. So we believe you have got those details and the website address. You would type in your username and the password, yeah, and the system would log you in. Your number would be showing up here since this is a demonstration, so we are using our own number. And before registering your device, please make sure you have selected the multi-device option on the WhatsApp that lets you to connect with the multiple WhatsApp for web instances. So please make sure you have selected that option so that your device remains logged in on the EduSuite and the messages are sent instantly when you send them through our software. So I would click on the connect now button, yeah, and the system is giving you just a warning, a dialog box that a QR code would show up and you have to sign that off. So the QR code is showing off. I would go to the WhatsApp linked devices, click on the linked device button as I do on the WhatsApp for web, and when the button is when it is read by the WhatsApp, it would be logged in automatically. Once the device is logged in successfully on the WhatsApp and is connected with our software, then the online status would show up in your panel. Now the online status is showing off. It is EduSuite WhatsApp Messenger. Now as an indication that your device is properly configured and connected with the EduSuite, and the device status would be shown as ready on the top right hand side, and also on the device status would be showing as ready. The next step is you have to take your token number. You would go to the bot configuration and the API. So this is your token number. You would copy this and you would go to the EduSuite into the communications, and then on the settings links, and you would paste your WhatsApp token here. I have a pasted token here, and once the data is updated, everything is sorted out, you have connected your device with the EduSuite and has linked that WhatsApp with our EduSuite software by entering the WhatsApp token. Now everything is connected. If you wanted to change something later on, you can go to my profile. The username and the email address can't be changed. However, you can change your password and you can change your contact number. Please make sure you start it with our country code 92, and you skip the first zero of your mobile number. So it would be 92300 1113423. You can change your number and the password anytime. So once you change your password on some occasion, then you would go to the board configuration once again. You would copy your token and paste into the communication and the settings. So this is all about connecting your device with connecting your WhatsApp with the EduSuite and saving your token in the EduSuite software. Once these two steps are done, you can send WhatsApp messages, you can send the fee vouchers, you can send progress report, salary slip, WhatsApp, whatever you wanna send on our EduSuite using the other tutorials. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for using